الله راس وراين.
الله يعرفك عن اللغة.
على راس العين.
Yeah.
There it is.
Middle-aged way.
Yes, that's me.
Okay. I will subscribe right now.
الله يعطيك شكرا بزاف. مهدي شكرا بزاف الله يعطيك.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Like a hamburger.
Yes, but she's sweet.
What's like a hamburger? Just like a hamburger? Oh. Oh, wow, those are good.
Yes.
شو سميتهم؟
هذوك ما عرفتش.
نعم.
هذو. Yes.
هادو
Wow.
this one القرص.
Lagos?
Yes.
Lagos? Lagos?
القرص.
Lagos.
And this one خبز معمر.
خبز شنو؟
معمر.
معلمة؟
معمر. Stuffed bread. معمر.
Before we get any further, assalamu alaikum, bonjour, greetings. Today I am at a bakery kind of thing where people bring their bread.
فران. It's called فران.
Fran.
Traditional فران.
Traditional fran. So this is actually pretty cool. They got the ovens and stuff over here. Like I said, we're looking at all this really cool. Man, this is awesome. And now no one's paying attention to me. I said, yeah, come on in, video. And then no one's paying attention to me.
So here's like the big oven. عمي شنو هذا ما يعرف
How
شنو.
hot does that get?
الفران الكبير شو طيبوا فيه هذا
شنو سميتك؟
قال لي شنو سميتك؟
فران.
فران.
انت شنو سميتك؟
No, انت. ابراهيم. اوكي. مشرفين. مشرفين بزاف مشرفين.
هذاك معلم.
نقول معلم؟
معلم ميلود.
ميلود. مشرفين بزاف مشرفين.
هذا
هذا
عبد اللطيف.
والله
عبد اللطيف.
عبد
عبد اللطيف.
اللطيف. السلام عليكم. Yes.
عجبونا يا
Some words are just easier to say than others. I don't know. So how long have you been working here?
شحال ديال الوقت انت ما
شحال هنا؟
How long has this been here?
30
13 years. 13. So 30 years. Wow, he's been doing this for 30 years. That's a long time to do. And this is really cool. Check this out. That's the oven in there.
Don't cook the camera.
No, I'm not gonna cook the camera. Look over there. I got all the coals. It's سخون بزاف. سخون بزاف.
سخون.
شحال؟ سخون.
250 حرارة.
250 degrees.
150?
Yeah.
It feels hotter than 150 degrees in there. It doesn't feel.
Yeah.
It feels hotter than that. It feels a lot hotter than 150 degrees. And this one down here. Oh, look at this. It's got the bread. They got holes in here. Wow, look at that. What is it? So all this is made with brick in here.
هذيك هادو مصوبينهم من الطوب ياك. Yes. ياجور قديم. Like it's an old one. شحال قال لك هذا الفران بني هنايا؟
1950.
He said since 1950 the Quran was here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Since 1950. Wow, nice. Wow, انت بريجاد بزاف.
شاف الله هاد البنت كتشرح لينا حنا ما نعرفوش نقراو.
He said like I'm here to explain to them. Thank God that I'm here to explain.
Yes. So by the way, I do have some my interpreters here. This is you know Nada.
Hi.
Say hello to Nada. And this is her cousin Asdeen. Yes.
Fine.
How are you?
Do you make a documentary?
He's making videos, vlogs.
Okay.
Yeah.
YouTube.
It's good.
Yeah. Doing.
Your channel.
Yes.
Yeah, my channel. Yeah, I can give you the channel. You know, I forgot my cards. I have cards. I have like 500 cards and I never have them. Okay.
Take. My name is Mehdi.
Mehdi.
Yes.
Okay. شرفين man.
شرفين.
شرفين بزاف.
يعرف عربية شوية.
It's good.
أنا كنت أتكلم شوية. Yeah. أنا كنت سكون في هيفت.
حلفات.
Yeah, في هيفت. Yeah, that's it. I have عندي دار في هيفت. Yeah, so.
And you speak very good accents.
شكرا.
Yes.
Yes. كنحاول ديما.
It's so special.
شكرا.
Give me your channel.
Of course. There it is.
Middle-aged way.
Yes, that's me.
Okay. I will subscribe right now.
الله يعطيك شكرا بزاف مهدي شكرا بزاف الله يعطيك.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you too.
what's it خدام. He's working now.
عندك دنابة عفوا الله راس ورين
الله يعرف كاع اللغات.
على راس العين.
Yeah.
It's Amazigh.
شلحة. أمازيغ. You just put أمازيغ to you.
كراد هذه كراد.
يزمين تري.
تري. هي ثلاثة.
كراد.
تريس
ومش الحاجة ثلاثة.
In Amazigh it's كراد. In Amazigh it's كراد.
هذه كوس.
كراس
كوس.
صافي
زوين هادشي زوين.
Nice and warm. Oh, and it smells so good. And I'm gonna tell you, when you've been fasting all day, man.
So this was a tradition like for a very long time in Morocco because like people like there was like a lot of like over there. I'm gonna give you the history later.
And there it goes.
Slama.
The slama.
Slama.
Chest.
شطين.
It went for cooking.
It's time for cooking.
Yeah. So as I was saying, this was a tradition for a long time in Morocco. Like people like used to bring their khubz to this guy over here and other people, of course, like who works the same job.
Okay.
To make bread for them, and we have like a time, like we know they start at 10 a.m. we bring the bread, everyone is around here, we eat the bread around 12, everyone is here to get their bread, that's it.
Sorry.
Yeah, like fresh, like baked bread.
He has a system. فهمتك. He's got a system. فهمتك. Yeah. صافي.
You're gonna flip it down.
I know. Yeah. Hey, خويا سمعتي أنا مرعود.
هو مرعود.
أنا مرعود.
هو مرعود.
أنا مرعود. Yeah, I'll flip it. I'll drop it.
You're gonna say to him كالطيب
كالطيب الخبز.
which means he's cooking bread.
كالطيب
الخبز.
كالطيب الخبز.
مزيان.
طيب الخبز.
ها؟
طيب الخبز.
ولا يطرح الخبز.
or you can say طرح الخبز. طرح الخبز. Yeah.
طرح خبز.
لا غير يصور.
نشوف. صافي. One after the other.
Like, let me take the camera, go with him over there, and he's gonna show you how to do it. يلا.
Alright, down to the bunkers, folks.
دخلوا وخرجوا بحال
Okay.
شيل الخبز.
يلا.
في بريكي. Lesser. Okay.
يلا.
Alright, here we go. زيد. Oh, there we go. Okay. Man. Woo, look at there. شكرا.
تبارك الله عليك.
شكرا.
تبارك الله عليك يا شيخ.
هاي النمرة ديالي.
He said he's gonna give you his number in case you need خبز.
الخبز.
You're getting the hookups. Man, you get the hookups in Rabat, you get to know the right people. Okay, so we changed the numbers. Shukran Bazaf. That was a very interesting behind the scenes for someone in America, from America, to be able to see something like this. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. It was a very interesting experience for me. I really appreciate that. Thank you for letting me see it.
بالنسبة شو عجبهم من الأمريكان قال لي هذا الشيء كيقدروا بزاف حيت خليتيني نشوفو ويعيش معاك هاد اللحظة.
اي وقت بغيتي تجي مرحبا بك.
شكرا.
whenever you want to come back مرحبا بك.
يخرج كاع رمضان وهذه ويجي عندنا مرحبا بك.
He said after Ramadan مرحبا بك again if you want, whenever you want.
Laftik. And I have your number? I have your number, so when I need bread, I'm
قال
gonna
لك
cook.
عنده دابا المرادات ما يبغى يطيب الخبز يجي يعيط عليك.
الخبز قولي الدجاج الحوت اي حاجه.
He said anything you want, الدجاج الحوت الخبز anything he can cook it for you.
كل شيء.
ما كنديروا حتى واحد ولا بغا هو نسووها.
He said like even طنجية he gonna make it for you, special thing for you. They don't make it for people but he gonna make it for you.
شنو؟
طنجية like
Oh,
he can
oh.
cook it for you. Yeah.
Oh, did you hear that? Tangia, Tangia. لحظتك. Oh, شكرا.
طنجيه صايب طنجيه.
For the spoof.
Oh, is this for the spoof?
Yes, for the spoof.
Spoof. But just when I think this is over, we get more. This is for spoof, huh?
رمضان.
Ramadan, yes.
So this is for Ramadan. This is how we make spoof. This is the flour.
This is the almond. Was it almond flour?
No, it's
Or just regular flour, okay.
Regular flour. They're gonna cook it over there. They're gonna make it يتحمر, get crispy.
It's hammer.
Not crispy.
Yeah,
I don't know how to
yeah.
say, yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna burn it up good. I
Yes,
understand. They're gonna.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how they do it. So in case you wonder how spoof is made, so this is how it's made. The base.
And so for people watching my channel that are from outside of Morocco or don't know anything about spoof, it's something that we eat in Ramadan and things like that. It's like dirt, but it doesn't taste like dirt. It looks like dirt. It feels like dirt in your mouth. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good.
It has almond in it. It has flour in it.
Yes.
It has a lot of herbs. And also like العسل, which is
Honey.
Honey, yeah.
Yeah.
So it has a lot of things. It's good for you. You
It's
should try
good.
it. Yeah, you should
It's
try
good.
it.
Yeah.
You should try it. Yeah.
عندي بزاف في الدار. I mean, I have a lot in my house. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. So for those of you who watch my channel from America or anywhere else, and you don't know what spoof is, that's what it is. It looks like a bowl of dirt, but does not taste like dirt. It tastes like absolute happiness. And if you haven't tried it, you need to come over here to Morocco and get you some while it lasts. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, this week's video, actually. Just probably a quick one. I'm really not even sure how long this is.
This is
Oh,
your bread.
what?
This is your bread.
Look at
Same
that.
bread.
That's the one that I made. Yeah, I made that bread. I did. I made that entire thing. I didn't just halfway push it in the oven. That's not what I did at all. I made that bread. That's the Ali.
Yeah. قول أنا طرحتها.
أنا
طرحتها.
Trata.
Yeah.
أنا trata. What did I just say?
You just put it in the oven.
Oh, أنا trata. Okay.
Yeah, but you used like the Moroccan word طرحتها.
Trata. أنا
Yeah, as if
trata.
you're working here. Yeah.
As if I'm working here. Yes. It'd be a good thing. All right.
Terry.
Terry. Yes. All right. Okay. صافي؟
مزيان؟
مزيان كويس مزيان بزاف مزيان بزاف بزاف بزاف. Hasdeen, shukran.
No, thank you.
Thank you for because I know that this is something that you set up.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Everything.
I'm not worried. I'm saying thank you.
Yes, yes.
There's nothing to worry about.
You're welcome.
كوسي مزيان. كوسي هانية.
ماشي مشكل.
ماشي مشكل.
مرحبا بك.
شكرا بزاف. شكرا بزاف. مرحبا الله يحفظك. الله يعاونكم. Okay, guys, that wraps it up for this week's video. A quick little look behind the scenes, making all this, cooking up all this bread and all the things here. And you can find them in the neighborhoods, pretty much scattered all over the place.
Why don't you tell them where the Farani is? Like this is. قول لهم فين جا الفران باش الناس اللي بغاو يجيو عندكم.
فران. كاميرا.
Camera.
كاميرا.
They're in camera.
مرحبا بكم في فران
Yes.
الكاميرا.
Yes.
فران العروسي.
مرحبا بكم في الكاميرا.
يا فران العروسي.
فران روسي.
العروسي.
La Rossi.
Yes.
فران La Rossi.
Yes.
Camera. In camera.
كاميرا الشمالية.
Okay.
الشمالية.
عاود عفاك في الكاميرا.
كاميرا الشمالية.
There we
فران
go.
العروسي. مرحبا بكم.
Okay. You better come and Boston. You better come and do it. Yeah. Well, you don't better, but you know, come by. Say hello to everybody. All right, guys. That I think now is it. Sabi?
Yeah, he said like you're gonna give you a thumbs up with them, like yeah.
He's gonna do what?
Picture with them. He wants to give
That would be
you-
it. That would be a great. Looks like I'm finally gonna do a decent thumbnail picture, but I'm not sure. All right, guys. That does wrap it up. أنا كبركم بزاف رمضان كريم. نشوفكم السنة الجاية.